Ford Expedition. Now this is interesting. You have compressed fabric as this splash guard on one side, and a combination of like tin and like insulation. Looks like something you'd cover your furnace with. So this is going to get soaked in corrosive road salt and rot this thing out from the underside. That splash guard went right here in this spot, right under the transmission. They're wrapping these things up like they're air conditioning units. Other than that, and the terrible spot welds around the top on the luggage racks on either side, I'd say this is a pretty sweet giant vehicle. Look at this thing. Overall, good job, Ford. Sloppy on some spots though.